Hello dear student, I am your chemistry teacher Uma ma'am. Today we are going to start class 12 chemistry, unit 7 P block elements. In part 1, we will discuss following contents: introduction of P block elements, inert paired effect, group 15 elements, physical and chemical properties of nitrogen elements. So let's discuss all the topics with suitable examples. Introduction of P block elements. P block elements belong in periodic table from group number 13 to 18, and its general electronic configuration is NS2 NP 1 to 6. 1 to 6 varies from group number 13 to 18, and except helium has 1s2 electronic configuration because helium has only 2 electron, its atomic number is 2. And S and P blocks elements are called representative elements. Inert paired effect. So what is inert paired effect? It is the reluctance of NS2 electron to take part bonding due to poor shielding effect. Poor shielding effect arises due to presence of fulfilled D and F orbital, and when we move down the group, the participation of NS2 electron is restricted, and this phenomenon is called inert paired effect. See in this picture, the attraction force between nucleus to valence electron increases due to arise poor shielding effect, presence of D and fulfilled D and F orbital. So this fulfilled D and orbitals presence electron interfere in the participation of NS2 electron, and this effect is increases when we move down the group, and this phenomenon is called inert paired effect. Nitrogen family. Group number 15 is called nitrogen family, and nitrogen family elements are nitrogen, phosphorus, arsenic, antimony, bismuth, and the metallic character down the group increases. So nitrogen is non-metal, or phosphorus is non-metal, and arsenic and antimony are metalloids, then bismuth is metal. So collectively group number 15 is called nitrogens. And then atomic radii. When we move down the group, atomic radii increases due to number of cell increases. Only small increases from arsenic to bismuth because due to the presence of fulfilled D and F orbital. So therefore small increases from arsenic to bismuth. Electronic configuration of group number 15 elements. So its general electronic configuration is NS2 NP3. N is the value of period number. So according to period number, we can easily write the valence electronic configuration of group number 15 elements. So nitrogen belong in second period, so its valence electronic configuration 2s2 2p3. Phosphorus belong in third period, so its valence electronic configuration 3s2 3p3. Arsenic belong is in fourth period, so its valence electronic configuration 4s2 4p3. And then antimony belong in fifth period, so its valence electronic configuration 5s 5p3. And then bismuth belong in sixth period, so its valence electronic configuration 6s2 6p3. Then when we say the atomic size increases when we move down the group, because due to increasing at a number of cells, atomic size increases. So the order of atomic size, increasing order of atomic size is this. So here bismuth has largest atomic size, and the atomic size small increases from arsenic to bismuth due to presence of fulfilled D and F orbital. Atomic size small increases from arsenic to bismuth. Ionization energy, it is the ionization energy is the energy required to remove an electron from an gaseous atom or ion. So ionization energy is inversely proportional to atomic size. So therefore the order of ionization energy is from nitrogen to bismuth decreases due to increasing atomic size. And then ionization energy much higher of this group due to presence of half-filled stable configuration. So more energy required to lose electron from its valence shell. So group number 15 element have higher ionization energy. Atomicity of nitrogen family. So atomicity is generally depends upon the catenation property. Catenation is the building of an element to itself through covalent bonding. It means self-linking property is called catenation. Then atomicity is defined as the total number of atoms that constitute a molecule. So nitrogen shows some extent of catenation property due to presence of triple bond. So nitrogen has less catenation property, so its atomicity only 2. Two atoms are combined and form a nitrogen molecule. And phosphorus shows maximum catenation property, so its atomicity is 4. And similarly other elements shows tetraatomicity, like arsenic shows tetraatomicity, antimony also shows the tetraatomicity. And bismuth is metal, so it is in which present the metallic bonding. Next property is electronegativity. So electronegativity is the tendency of an atom in compound to attract the a pair of bonded electron towards itself. So it is the tendency of attract a shared paired electron, and this electronegativity property decrease from nitrogen to bismuth. So electronegativity is inversely proportional to atomic size. And this electronegativity difference less differences between heavier elements, because from as arsenic to bismuth small increases in atomic size. Next is oxidation state. Oxidation state shows by the group number 15 element -3 to +5, and the stability of +3 oxidation state increases down the group due to restriction of participation of ns2 electron. So ns2 electron does not participation when we move down the group, and the stability of +5 oxidation state decreases, whereas the stability of +3 oxidation state increases due to inert pair effect. So that when we move down the group, ns2 electron participation are restricted due to inert pair effect, and this inert pair effect arises due to the interference of fulfilled d and f orbital, and due to poor shielding effect it restricts the participation of ns2 electron. So +3 oxidation is stable when we move down the group, and +5 oxidation is decreases when we move down the group. Disproportionation. So in which chemical reactions same element oxidize as well as reduce, so that type of reaction we can say that the disproportionation reaction. So in group number 15 nitrogen and phosphorus shows the disproportionation due to the shows a variable oxidation state by the oxidation as well as reduction. So here from +1 to +4 undergo oxidation as well as reduction in acidic medium, and this type of reaction is called disproportionation reaction. For example, nitrogen shows variable oxidation in chemical reaction. So here 2 mole of nitrogen dioxide, when hydrolyzed it get oxidized to HNO3 and also reduce in HNO2. So in NO2 oxidation state of nitrogen is +4, and in nitric acid oxidation state is +5, and in nitrous acid oxidation state is +3. So here nitrogen shows 3 variable oxidation state by the oxidation and reduction. And next example is for phosphorus. Here phosphorus react with sodium hydroxide and react with 3 mole of water molecule. So after that reaction, phosphorus reduce in phosphine and oxidize in sodium phosphite. So in phosphorus oxidation state is 0, and we know that in atom and molecule the oxidation state always 0. So for phosphorus oxidation state is 0, and phosphine shows the in phosphine phosphorus shows the -3 oxidation state, and in sodium hydrogen phosphide shows +1 oxidation state. So here phosphorus also shows the variable oxidation state by the same time oxidize and reduce in chemical reaction. Covalency of nitrogen family, its general electronic configuration ns2 and p3, and its general oxidation state shows +3 and +5. Nitrogen shows only +3 oxidation state because absence of d orbital. Here nitrogen only 3 unpaired electron on for the excited state, absence of d orbital, so therefore nitrogen shows only +3 oxidation state, but phosphorus shows +3 and also +5 oxidation state because phosphorus have vacant d orbital for excitation of electron. Similarly, arsenic shows +5, antimony shows +5, bismuth shows +3 oxidation state due to inert weight effect, because here ns2 electron participation is restricted due to poor shielding effect. Max covalency of nitrogen. So how nitrogen can show maximum covalency of 4? So see the structure of ammonia. Here 3 bond pair and 1 lone pair electron are present at a nitrogen atom. So this can form the coordinate bond and using lone pair electron present at nitrogen. So in this way nitrogen shows +4 oxidation state. See the diagram of NH4. So here lone pair electron form coordinate bond by the share lone pair electron to hydrogen form the coordinate bond, and so for donating lone pair electron to hydrogen, nitrogen acquire plus charge, and in this way nitrogen form 4 bond to hydrogen, and in this way nitrogen shows maximum covalency 4. Maximum covalency of nitrogen family. How phosphorus can show maximum covalency 6? So at normal condition phosphorus shows 3 covalency. In this structure PS3 phosphine, 3 bond pair electron and only 1 lone pair electron present. So at normal condition phosphorus shows 3 covalency, but at excited state its electronic configuration is changed. Electron jump to higher energy level in back in d orbital, and it can able to form 5 bond with chlorine and form the PCl5, and here phosphorus shows covalency 5. In PCl6 negative ion covalency 6 due to d orbital. So here one chlorine bond form with d orbital, and therefore phosphorus able to form PCl6 negative ion, and its hybridization is sp3 d2, and for PCl5 hybridization is sp3d. For phosphine hybridization is sp3. So in this way phosphorus shows maximum covalency 6. In super question is that why bismuth has covalency of 3? So when we see the valence electronic configuration of bismuth, bismuth belong in 6 period, so it's a valence electronic configuration 6s2 and 6p3. So due to inert pair effect, inner 6s2 electron do not participate in bonding, and therefore only 3 electron can form bond. So bismuth show 3 covalency, only 3 covalency. Anomalous behavior of nitrogen. So we know that the in each group first member of the element shows differ property from its rest of the element, and that is why it's a smaller size and it does not have d orbital, and it's a high electronegativity and high annihilation enthalpy. In this property, the first member of element shows differ property from its rest of the element. And in group number 15, nitrogen has unique ability to form p pi multiple bond. Nitrogen having triple bond, so this is formed by the ability to form multiple p pi bond, and from itself and with other metal having small size and high electronegativity, while phosphorus arsenic form v pi d pi bond. So only nitrogen form p pi multiple bond with itself. Reactivity towards hydrogen. All group 15 element form trihydrides because group number 15 element having valency 3. So all elements group 15 form trihydrides. It's a general formula EH3, and its hybridization is sp3. So all trihydrides belong in sp3 hybridization. Stability. The stability of hydride decrease down the group due to decreased bond dissociation energy, because due to increasing atomic size bond are weaker, and therefore the stability decreases when we move down the group. So the decreasing order of stability is ammonia, then phosphine, then arsenic trihydride, then antimony trihydride, then after that less stable bismuth trihydride. Basic nature of hydride. In group 15 elements, hydride basic character decreases down the group. Ammonia having lone pair electron, and due to smaller size the lone pair is more dense, therefore lone pair donation is more effective. So basic character is more in NH3 as compared to other hydrides of group 15 elements. And in bismuth, less dense due to larger atomic size lone pair, poor donation to lone pair electron to other, so its basic character is less. So basic character decreases when we move down the group for hydrides. Next is a bond angle property. It's also decrease when we move down the group. So its bond angle order is this, and bond angle is directly proportional to electronegativity of central metal atom. So here nitrogen is central metal atom and it is more electronegative atom. So its bond angle is 107.8 minute, and then after that phosphorus is less electronegative as compared to nitrogen, so its bond angle is lesser as compared to NH3 99.5 degree, then arsenic 91.8 degree, and the bond angle almost equal to antimony trihydride. Its bond angle is 91.3 degree, because a small increases the atomic size due to presence of fulfilled d and f orbital. The bond angle almost similar. And then lastly the bismuth trihydride bond angle is 90 degree. So bond angle property also decrease when we move down the group. Thermal stability. So on thermal energy, on giving heating effect, we can predict the which compound is stable. So when we go down the group, atoms becomes larger and overlapping is not good, therefore the bond becomes weaker. So thermal stability also decrease when we move down the group, because due to increasing atomic size, bond becomes weaker and it easily decompose in its ions. Boiling point of group number 15 elements. So all the hydride of group 15 elements shows some variation due to the presence of hydrogen bonding in NH3, shows higher boiling point as compared to phosphorus and arsenic. And in general way, due to increasing atomic size and atomic mass, the boiling point increases when we move down the group. So this is the order of boiling point for group number 15 hydrides. Some properties follow this order, like stability decreases when we move down the group. Similarly, basic character decreases. Solubility also decreases when we move down the group. Bond angle also decreases. Strength of metal bond, a metal hydrogen bond also decreases, and thermal stability also decreases when we move down the group. So all this property follow this order. Some properties follow this order. Increasing order of hydride, like reducing character increases when we move down the group, because due to increasing size it easily lose the electron. So reducing character increases when we move down the group, and poisonous character also increases when we move down the group. Boiling point shows different order of the hydrides. Here the nitrogen form the hydrogen due to the formation of hydrogen bonding, shows higher boiling point as compared to phosphorus and arsenic. So the boiling point order is this. Bismuth hydride is higher boiling point due to larger atomic size, and then antimony hydride, then NH3, then arsenic trihydride, and then phosphine have least boiling point. So only boiling point order is differ from all this order of the hydride.